has a new plan that affects when you can get a COVID-19 vaccine. It's still going to be months before those shots are available to anyone who wants one.
Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland has a closer look at these changes and why they're happening now. Michael.
Right, so far, workers at hospitals and people in long-term care facilities are getting those first doses. Now the state has a revised plan for who's going to come next.
As the first shots of the COVID-19 vaccine go into people's arms, the long process has started to eventually make those vaccines available to everyone. But it could take months.
With the limited supply of vaccine, we think this could be well into the spring.
State health officials revised the priority list for when people will get the vaccine Wednesday to align with changes by the CDC. Next month, Phase 1B will start with people over 75, then healthcare and frontline workers over 50, followed by those of any age. Phase 2 includes people over 65, people with high-risk medical conditions, and people in group living settings, including prisons, as well as essential workers not yet vaccinated.
People who are incarcerated, that the risk is significantly higher in congregate care facilities.
It's not clear when Phase 2 would start. Phase 3 includes college and high school students over 16, followed by everyone else.
Ours follows pretty closely what the CDC recommendation is.
Republican Senate Leader Phil Berger questioned why the plan prioritizes some people who are younger over some in their early 60s. Dr. Mandy Cohen said state officials are working with licensing boards to enforce the rules on vaccine distribution and may ask the General Assembly to act.
There are opportunities for someone to stray from that, for jumping the line, whether it was a family member, a donor, a board member, and particularly concerned about seeing anyone profit financially from this.
So far, the state says about 63,000 people in North Carolina have gotten the first dose of a vaccine. Federal officials say the country is likely to fall short of the goal it's set for the end of this month. So coming up at 6, I'm taking a closer look at the concerns people have about how quickly this vaccination plan is rolling out. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.